Here it is, the 2023 Honda Pilot. I want to show you something very interesting here that you may or may not know about. When you take a look at the driver's side door here, you're going to notice everything that's here. All your switches for your windows, you can lock the windows, you can unlock and lock the doors. Controls for your power side view mirrors, and obviously your memory settings for your driver's side seat. But one thing you don't see there is the child safety locks. Well, they're still here. They're just on these rear doors themselves. And I know a lot of people might say, oh, but Tom, they've always been on the rear doors. But you haven't always activated them on every single vehicle on the rear doors. So here's what you need to do. Here is the diagram. It has an arrow pointing down towards the lock right there. In the up position right here, they're not active right now. When it's down like this, they are active. And one reason you might want to know about this particular feature is if you just bought a Pilot and you're out in the middle of nowhere and nobody is with you, and you say to yourself, gee, I want to check out the back seat of my new Honda Pilot. And you jump back here and then you go to open the door and you can't do it. And there's no one to help you out. You're gonna have to crawl through the pass-through right here. For some people, that might be a little harder than others. And yes, stay tuned because tomorrow's video will be a full review of this all-new Honda Pilot. I'll see you then.